welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And how's everyone's day going? I hope you guys are having an amazing day, because I am. So today I'm going to be doing some glitter ombre nails. So right now I'm just putting the tips on, and I will show you guys how to do that, and we'll get right into the video. And I'm also using Zulei's nail tips, and I love these so much, you guys. I'm going to be using this yellow, and I'm going to be putting it on the tips of my nails because this is going to show underneath the nail. I wanted to do something different because summer is here, and I know I wanted something bright and cute. So now I'm going to take my acrylic and I'm going to put it on the tips of my nail, so that way when I grab my glitter, it'll be able to stay in place. After I go in with my glitter, I make sure I encapsulate it afterwards, but I forgot to record that. So sorry about that, you guys, but I just wanted to let you know that I did go in and encapsulate it. So now I'm gonna go in with my nude, and I'm gonna place it right above where I put the glitter at, and I'm just gently brushing it down, as you can see, making sure it's smooth. And then I'm gonna go in with another bead that's closer to the cuticle. I'm going to place another bead right in the middle of the nail, and I'm doing this just to make sure it's even. So now that I finished applying the nude, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate it using this clear acrylic. I will say that I love these nails and the length and the shape and everything. Well, y'all, I had to cut it down some. So I'll show you what they'll look like in this next clip. So here's the final results, you guys. They look so beautiful. I love these. So if you guys like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.